Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can search questions on ChatGPT. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that you can use to basically do anything related to chat, asking questions, writing essays, writing a conversation, all of these stuff. So first of all, you're going to open Google, and then from Google you're going to search ChatGPT, and you're going to sign in. I'm going to show you the procedures. Okay, so ChatGPT, sign in. Okay, and then you're going to click on ChatGPT. I'm already signed in, but you're just going to sign in on your ChatGPT. Then, after that, you're going to basically send a message, anything that you want to ask ChatGPT. So basically, if you want him to answer a question, basically, any question that you want to ask, ChatGPT is going to answer. So, well, let's say, when was ChatGPT created? Okay, and I search. As you can see, it's going to start telling you when was ChatGPT created. Any type of questions that you want to ask, ChatGPT is going to answer. So yeah, of course, if anything related to illegal topics, it's not going to answer, of course. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. So that was it. So once you have a ChatGPT account, you can ask it any type of question. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.